Good morning. This is Tricia with Easy E-mini Trade, and I wanted to show you a breakout and breakdown trades, and they work really well, especially when you've got a trending day and you're looking for a way to get in. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to do it, and you can put your own twist on it, and this is just how I do it, and it works out really well. If you have any questions, you can shoot me an email at tricia@easyeminitrade.com. So we're looking at the NQ from yesterday, the 14th of April. So this is right off the open, right here on the left edge of my screen. And this is a little too early for me to want to take a breakout, but 9:31 we got one. And all I do is I look for little consolidation areas and I draw a line, and then once I get a close above it, I can enter in. The way I enter is I'll enter in a tick above the setup bar. Let me just make this a little bigger here for you so you can see maybe a little clearer. So that one was just a little bit too early. It was 9:31. I'm not, it's not part of my plan to trade at 9:31, so just a little too early. This is the first trade that that I took right here at 9:42. You can see we established this area of support. I've got the day before's close. I'm just trying to move this over so you can see. We've got the day before yesterday's close right here in yellow, and I don't like to take the breakdowns or breakouts in that area. What I'll do is I'll let price hit, in this case, an area or create an area of support just under it, and then I'll look to take the break of that. So right here where it traded below and then traded right back above the close, this is the area I established as my support area. So I draw my line and then I look for a close below. Now if you're using the Ichimoku indicators, I'll watch for the Chico line to break, and then the bar that's forming as I get that break, that would be the bar that I'm looking to get in, the bar that's forming closing under this area of support. So I look to enter in under a tick under the low of this bar here. Our stop holds by a tick, thank goodness, and then it goes on to work out really well. So the target area is right here. We have the 50% fib retracement. I've got the round number of 4,400, and I've got the low from the previous day here. So that's a good target area. So you could set your limit order to get out there, or once it trades to that area, you can see if it breaks through and then use that as your new stop. Whatever you like. Sorry about my cat in the background. And then you could do the same thing here. Draw a line and then take the breakdown here. I didn't take this one because I was looking for something like this. Now you could still be in from the entry up here. You could just trail it, use your super trend stop to trail, use some of the price levels to trail. So I didn't get what I needed here, or what I would like to see. I would like to see, again, a little consolidation, create an area of support under this low, and then take it. Again, you could still be in it from up here, and that created an easy 5 points off the first target. Here, as it breaks down, if you didn't happen to get in up here at 9:42 or here at 9:45, breaks down, you can see this little tiny consolidation period. Get closed below this white line, you just draw the line, get closed under it, and you look to enter in under the low of this bar here. Again, works out well. And you have to decide how many of them you're going to take too. At some point, it's going to stop going lower in this case, and you're going to have a retracement. So you're going to take it 4 or 5, 6 times. You have to just definitely be aware of what's going on and at least wait for a larger retracement. So here's a nice retracement up here, back up to this 90-period moving average. You can see this area of support here, using the low of this bar here, and you could take an entry under this bar right here at 9:53, but news is coming out at 10, so you may have passed on it. If you did take it, it worked out fine. After the news, or right prior to the news, this is actually 9:58, you can see we established another level of support here. Draw my line from here under these bars here. You get a break, enter in under the low of this bar here, and then you look for your next target area in the way of a support area. So I've got 43.80 here as a support area, and obviously we don't know if those areas are going to hold until they actually do. So bounces off that area, establish another area of support with my white line here, look for a close under, and enter in under this bar here. This was actually a counter channel set up here at 10:02, but we were already in here on this bar. And same thing here, trades lower, and all you're doing is you're capitalizing on those little consolidation periods going with the trend. Now this one did not take, I did not take that one because I was waiting for a little bit bigger retracement, but if you did take it, it did eventually work out, and here we are right here. And so when you get those, you see it did work out down to this next area. When you take those trades, it actually goes a lot better when you're taking it with the overall trend. If it's just chopping sideways, then if you're going to do those types of breakouts and breakdowns, it's very important to know where the area of resistance is above you if you're taking a buy, or the area of support if you're taking a short, because when you're going sideways, it's not really conducive for those breakouts or breakdowns. So this was a nice lower trending day. Here you can see we consolidate, and you can take the buy a tick above the bar here. Now what I'll do is, let's say you don't get the close above, so it pops through, doesn't close above, pulls right back down. What I'll do is I'll move my line to above that bar. So if it doesn't close above, then I move my line, or in this case, if it doesn't close below, let's say it trades below and then it trades right back up. So I don't get the close below the line, so I'll take that line and I'll move it under the low of that bar. Here, same thing, consolidation period. We have an idea of where resistance is back here from 86.25, so you can decide to take this breakout and know that a good area to target would be that 86.25. Now if you're using order flow, it makes it a little easier because you can confirm it with the high amount of the orders coming in. So if you're looking to take a breakout, you want to see the buy orders coming in. If you're looking to take a breakdown, you're looking to see the sell orders come in. So once again here, creates an area of support, another breakdown here at 10:34. And we have an idea of where we can get to from the last area that we got to when we looked to the left. So plenty of room to take that. So yesterday was an excellent day for those types of trades. Every single one we took worked out for 3 to 5 or more points, just depending on how you managed it. So I hope that you find that helpful, and if you have any questions, you can send me an email, and I hope you have a fabulous day.